Good morning, respected sir. I am Pujita Krishnan and I am pursuing my BTech third year in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Third year, and I am going to take the privilege to present my Tech Talk presentation on the topic Embedded Intelligence in the Internet of Things in Microprocessors and Microcontrollers. I am from Section B. And my roll number is 21951A0477. So let's get into our presentation. And before we get into our presentation, I would really like to thank my department and also the faculty for giving me this great opportunity, as it is a very interesting topic to present on. And it helped me in learning many new things about this topic and also PowerPoint presentation. So let's get started with our presentation. Introduction to Embedded Intelligence in the Internet of Things. Embedded intelligence refers to the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities into IoT devices. It enables IoT devices, as the Internet of Things devices, to make autonomous decisions, analyze data, and perform complex tasks without human intervention. Embedded intelligence enhances the efficiency, functionality, and adaptability of IoT systems. For the introduction. Moving on to our next slide. So what are the benefits of embedded intelligence in Internet of Things? Let us know what are the benefits of embedded intelligence. In this field, embedded intelligence enables real-time data analysis, leading to faster and more informed decision making. It improves predictive maintenance by detecting anomalies and predicting failures in IoT devices. Embedded intelligence enhances security in IoT systems by identifying and preventing potential threats. So, as we see in this picture, embedded system, it is of all these types, that is, the manufacturing equipment, domestic appliances, audio and visual equipment, gaming consoles, telecommunication equipment, medical devices, cars and vehicles, motion sensors. So these are all the kind of benefits of embedded intelligence and Internet of Things. Moving on to our next slide. What are the applications of embedded intelligence and Internet of Things? So let us know what are the applications of this. Smart homes utilize embedded intelligence to automate tasks such as temperature control, energy management, and security. Industrial IoT systems leverage embedded intelligence for predictive maintenance, optimizing production processes, and improving worker safety. So this is another application. The last application is healthcare IoT devices. That's a healthcare in the healthcare systems. It is also used in the healthcare systems with embedded intelligence, which can monitor patient vital signs and provide personalized treatment recommendation and assist in remote patient monitoring. So this is like in hospitals and all, in the huge hospitals and all, we have the X-ray scan machine, CT scan, MRI scan, and all this. These are these are made of Internet of Things. This is a part of Internet of Things, and it has embedded intelligence in it. So this is one of the applications where it shows the BP levels and the pulse rate, and it shows the X-rays of the body and all. So this gives the sign, and it shows what exactly is going on with the patient and how is the patient, so to give, in order to give the personalized treatment and also good treatment to the patient for the continuous monitoring of oxygen levels and all. So these are the applications of embedded intelligence in IoT. So, what are the components of embedded intelligence in IoT? Sensor technologies enable IoT devices to collect data from the environment or user interactions. Edge computing platforms process data locally on the device, reducing latency and enhancing privacy. Machine learning algorithms analyze and learn from the collected data, enabling intelligent decision making. These are the components of embedded intelligence in IoT. The rise of IoT, that is the processing speed, the lightweight OS, research and wireless communication, and this is the cloud computing, and this is small footprint protocols. So this is another way where it is the rise of the IoT. So next is what are the challenges of embedded intelligence in IoT? Limited computing resources in IoT devices may restrict the complexity and scale of embedded intelligence. Privacy concerns arise from the need to collect and analyze sensitive data on IoT devices. The interoperability of different IoT devices and platforms poses challenges for implementing embedded intelligence. So these are all the challenges of embedded intelligence in IoT. Moving on to our next slide. So what is embedded intelligence versus cloud-based intelligence in IoT? So let us know what are the difference between this both and what are the similarities between this both. The both sound similar, but it isn't similar. So let us see. Embedded intelligence enables autonomous decision making on the device itself, reducing dependence on cloud connectivity. Cloud-based intelligence relies on sending data for the cloud for analysis and decision making, which can introduce latency and security risks. Hybrid approaches combine embedded and cloud-based intelligence to leverage the benefits of both. So this is all about the difference between cloud-based intelligence and embedded intelligence. And this is the picture. Let us see machine learning techniques for embedded intelligence. So what is machine learning techniques for embedded intelligence in IoT? Supervised learning algorithms enable IoT devices to recognize patterns and make predictions based on labeled data. Unsupervised learning algorithms identify patterns and anomalies in unlabeled data, enabling IoT devices to detect and respond to changes in their environment. Reinforcement learning algorithms enable IoT devices to learn from feedback and optimize their actions to achieve specific goals. So what are the techniques? So let us look into the techniques. This is the training data and which trains the machine learning algorithm, and it forms into a model. And this model is known as machine learning algorithm, wherein the input data is given into this machine learning algorithm. So input data should be given, that is in the binary form, ones and zeros, which consists of ones and zeros. So if you give it in this algorithm, there is a machine learning algorithm. So then there would be a prediction, and then you can evaluate the thing. And after evaluating whether it is, you will check whether evaluation in the sense it is to check whether it is the right one or the wrong one. It is true or false. So if it is true, it's the process will be ended and terminated. If the process is false or wrong, if there is a mistake, then again it goes to the to train the machine learning algorithm, and again the process repeats until the process gets true, until it gets satisfied. This is the machine learning techniques. And then comes security consideration for embedded intelligence in IoT. So basically, what are security considerations for embedded intelligence in IoT? So embedded intelligence in IoT devices must prioritize security measures to prevent unauthorized access and data breaches. Security communication protocols and encryption techniques can protect the data transmitted between IoT devices and other components. Regular firmware updates and vulnerability assessments are crucial to address potential security vulnerabilities. So, these are the Internet of Things and the security considerations. So, now let us look at the future trends in embedded intelligence and IoT. So, what are the future trends? Edge AI chips, that is artificial intelligence chips specifically designed for embedded intelligence, will become more prevalent, improving the performance and efficiency of IoT devices. Federated learning techniques will enable collaboration and knowledge sharing between IoT devices without compromising data privacy. Explainable artificial intelligence will be crucial for embedded intelligence in IoT, allowing users to understand and trust the decisions which are made by the IoT devices. So let us conclude this topic. So embedded intelligence in the Internet of Things brings numerous benefits, including real-time decision making, predictive maintenance, and enhanced security. As technology advances in overcoming challenges and addressing security concerns will be crucial for widespread adoption of embedded intelligence in IoT systems. With the continuous evolution of embedded intelligence, we can expect a future where IoT devices seamlessly integrate into our daily lives, making them smarter and more efficient. So, this is about our topic embedded intelligence in Internet of Things. So, this is the conclusion of the topic, and that's the end of my presentation. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I hope you liked my presentation. Uh, and I expect a positive feedback from your side. So thank you once again, sir.